You can expect a lot from the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a rear window wiper, voice-activated navigation, front fog lights, skid plates, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.